Hey guys, I hope you all are doing well. Today I'll be sharing with you this brown stew chicken recipe. If you're new to the channel, make sure to click the subscribe button and the post notification bell next to it so you don't miss out on any future uploads. Place your orders now on the Heart2Go Cuisine merchandise. The link will be found in the description box. Now let's get right into it. We're going to start off by cleaning 4 to 5 drum/thighs with 1/4 cup of vinegar and rinsing it under hot water. We're going to transfer our meat to a Ziploc bag. We're going to add 1 teaspoon of seasoned salt, a half a teaspoon of black pepper, 2 teaspoons of Worcestershire sauce, 1 teaspoon of browning, a half of chicken flavor bouillon tablet, then we're going to add a few sprigs of fresh thyme. We're going to add 2 cloves of garlic, 1 scotch bonnet pepper removing the seeds, and 2 scallions. Then we're going to add 1 green bell pepper, 1 small onion, 1 red bell pepper. We're going to close the Ziploc bag, squeezing out all the air. Then we're going to mix up our ingredients. You can choose to marinate the chicken overnight or for 2 hours. To a pot on medium-high heat, we're going to add 2 tablespoons of oil. Then we're going to add our chicken. We're going to braise our chicken for 5 to 7 minutes on each side. Then we're going to add 1/4 cup of water, 1/4 cup of ketchup, then we're going to add the rest of the marinade. We're going to cover and cook the chicken for 15 to 20 minutes. And there you have it, Jamaican brown stew chicken. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. See you guys next time.